Student, if you are struggling to understand the trigonometric angle trigonometry table of angles. So this is the basic fundamentals regarding the trigonometry. So this is the table. We can understand the value like this. Here are the trigonometric ratios. Here are the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. The value of each ratio will be given on here. So sine 30, so the trigonometric ratio is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and that is cosec. So sine 0 value 0, sine 30 value 1 upon t. 2. Starting table value, we have to remember it. Starting point. So this is the condition you have to understand. 1 by 2. 40 degree and sine 45 degree is 1 upon under root 2. Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 is 1. So when you will come to the cos, it will reverse, means pointing out from there and there. Just flip the condition. So sine 0 1, sine 90, sine 9 sine 30 cos 30 root 3 upon 2, cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 upon 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 will be 0. So if you learn the sine, you will automatically convert into cos, and if you learn the tan, you have to learn tan, so you will automatically convert into cot, and if you learn the sec, so you will automatically convert into cosec. So you have to learn only sine, tan and sec. So tan 0, value of tan 0 0, tan 30 1 upon root 3, tan 45 1, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 not defined or infinite, we can say, cot 0 infinite, cot 30, so cot 30 will be root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 will be 1 upon root 3, and cot 90 will be 0. So if you will say, so now sine, if you compare the sine for sec will be the reciprocal of cos. So cos value is 1, so it's also value 1. 2 upon root 3 is the 30, and for cot and for sec 45 is just root 2 upon 1. 1 is there is no value, so root 2. And sec 60 will be 2 upon root 3, and sec 90 will be 1. And cosec is the reciprocal of sine, just reverse 1 upon term. Reciprocal means upon 1. So 0 value is infinity, 30 value is 2, 45 value is root 2, 60 is 2 upon root 3, and 90 is 1. So in this way you can easily remember the trigonometric table of the regarding angles. And for the ratio of the 90 degrees, you have to remember another formula. Just sine, remember this thing, sine theta is, suppose let's any angle theta, sine theta is inversely, sine theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, or we can write it on here, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta, and cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta, or sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, or cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. These are the formula you have to remember. And tan sine cos tan. So these are the basic main formula you have to remember according to the reciprocality. So in this situation we can learn related to this. Sine is the reciprocal of cosec. You have to learn the value of sine only. Cosec you will automatically write it. Cos is the reciprocal of sec. It means you have to learn the value of cos. And for cos value, simple formula, just reversing this order of sine, you will get the value of cos. And tan value you have to remember. This is only this point you have to remember, sine and tan. From sine you can convert into cosec, from cos you can convert it into sec, from tan you can convert it into cot. And you just remember two lines, sine and tan. From sine ordering reversing, 90 will be 0 and this will be this, just change the order, so you will get the result of cos on the basis of sine. And sine and cosec value you will got basis on the sine, and sec value on the basis of cos, and cot value on the basis of tan. So these are the simple formula you have to remember in your mind. And some of the important formula is this. Let's suppose this is the triangle A B C. This is a hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. This is a right triangle. This is a perpendicular, and this is the base. So we can write the formula is sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon base. You will easily remind these things. So many tricks according to in Hindi terminology, B P B P upon H H B. This is the formula you will remember. P B P upon H H B. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So in this way you can solve some problem based on trigonometry. For example, if I say that question is given, if sin theta is equal to 12 upon 13, so find tan theta, cos theta, and cosec theta. So in this way, how will you find these given ratio? In this way, except from this, we can find all the ratio with just two values given. We will use simply Pythagoras theorem on here. This is a right angle triangle ABC, and we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to AB square, AC square is equal to AB square plus, sorry, by mistakenly I have written equal, but this is a plus sign. AC is equal to AB plus BC square. And while comparing this with the trigonometric ratio, previously I have explained that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is exactly given on here? That is perpendicular means 12 is given, that is the perpendicular, and that is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is just a 13. So while calculating the base, so AC given is 12 square and AB given AC given is 13 square and AB given is 12 square plus BC we have to calculate. So 169 is the square of 13 and 12 square is 144 plus BC square, and from BC square is equal to 169 minus 144, that will be 25 I think, or you can calculate. So yes, from 945 and 642110, okay, that is a BC square, and BC is equal to 5 unit we can say. So there is no unit is given centimeter meter, we can write it simple unit. So 5 unit is BC is given. Now BC is 5. So from this we can find all trigonometric ratio which is required in the question. Tan theta, cos theta and cosec theta. So tan theta value is this. Tan theta is equal to, formula is perpendicular upon base 12 upon 5, and cos theta is equal to, so simple, remind this, BBP upon HHB. So that is sine, that is cos, that is tan. So cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and cosec theta is whatever we required, we can easily find it if we know these three values. So this type of question can be come in exam for 1 marks or 2 marks, so you can easily solve it. And for cosec theta is equal to, cosec is the just reciprocal of sine, so hypotenuse upon perpendicular. What is hypotenuse? 13 upon 12. In this way you can easily find it. I hope you will understand this video and understand the basic term asked in the examination. On the basis of trigonometric angle, the question can become like this. If just say that evaluate or calculate some numerical value of sine square 45 plus cosec square 30 upon tan square 60 plus, can say any, cos square 45. In this situation, if the numerical value is just like given, so this type of question can be come to check your numerical solving capacity in the exam in a given time or minimum time. So if you know the all trigonometric angles value, you can write it sine 45 1 upon root 2. In starting you have to see tables too many times, but if you solve 5 to 10 question based on these angles, the angles value will be automatically fit into your mind, and you can in a simple manner can remind it. So 1 under root 2 square plus cosec 30 value is, cosec is the reciprocal of sine 30, so sine 30 value 1 upon 2, cosec 30 is 2 whole square upon tan 60 is just root 3 whole square plus cos 45 1 upon root 2 square. So in this way you can easily calculate 2 under root 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 2 square is just 4 plus 3 plus 1 upon 2. So you can easily take the LCM in numerator and denominator. So 1 so 8 plus 1, and here is 6 plus 1. So what, 2 to 2 cancel, that will be 9 upon 7 value will be the final answer of this question. So in this way you have to remember the angles value of the given trigonometric ratio, sine, cos, tan, these are called the trigonometric ratios. These given value you can easily solve the question.